Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome again to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. In today's podcast, we bring you Q4 earning review of Bosch Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited and Polycab India Limited. Let us first look at Bosch Limited. Q4 FY21 results were strong, aided by EBITDA margin expansion. Consolidated PAT seen a growth of 25.7% year-on-year in Q4, driven by robust 43.8% revenue growth and a 400 basis EBITDA margin expansion. Bosch is well prepared to tap on the emerging opportunities in electrification and connected vehicles with strong technological support from its parent Robert Bosch GmbH. Analyst maintains buy rating on Bosch Limited with an unchanged price target of Rs 18,156, factoring in recovery of automotive demand after the wave 2 of COVID recedes. Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Analyst maintains buy on IOC with a revised price target of Rs 125 as valuation is attractive at 5.5 times FY23 estimates earning per share and 0.8 times FY23 estimates price to book value. Considering expectation of recovery in core earnings, healthy return on equity of 15% and a high dividend yield of 9%. Q4 PAT was significantly above estimates given better GRM and petchem margins. Potential monetization of non-core assets like pipeline and hydrogen producing facilities and privatization of BPCL would be a key catalyst for Indian Oil Corporation. Polycab India Limited. Polycab reported strong revenue growth for Q4 FY21 along with stable operating profit margin despite commodity headwinds. Strong growth in both cables and wires and FMEG verticals indicate market share gains for the company, which is expected to continue going forward. By FY26, its target is to achieve Rs 20,000 crore revenue by growing its core products by 1.5 times and new products by 2 times. Barring near-term COVID headwinds, the company is poised to grow in both its verticals, outspacing the industry growth rates. Analyst maintains a buy on Polycab India with a revised price target of Rs 1900, factoring upwardly revised estimates and healthy growth outlook. That's all for the day. It's been a pleasure bringing you Sharekhan podcast. Thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosures and disclaimer, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.